here, afternoon snow goose hunt. Warm and windy, and already missed one. So having some show up already. Start to work. See how the rest of the afternoon goes. Yep. Might get them worked back in here. Yeah. This one flock's kind of working back this way. Yeah, here they come. Well, there's a bunch falling in, but not working quite in how we'd like. So just put more socks around us. We'll see. There's waves of them just coming around now. So see if we get some more. Got a single coming from the right side here.
From the right.
A couple more too. Oh, a bunch more out front. Oh, look at this low blue.
Yeah.
That's a perfect, perfect height. Right in front of me.
Shoot him, Matt.
Shoot.
Dang it, they needed to come a little farther.
Yeah, they started to flare out there at the last sec. Oh, coming from behind us. Oh, and yeah, everywhere. Some really low ones right out front. Holy cow. This is awesome. Got snow geese all over. Oh, come on. There he goes.
Out on the wing. I got a little greedy. I might have could have waited longer. They were coming.
Yeah.
I was getting. I'm tired of them drifting off. I wanted to kill something.
We're on the board. Actually, this group right here just need to drop in here. Got a single here, Jeff.
Nice shot.
Easy retrieve.
Can't pass those up.
I like that shot.
Yeah. More of those.
Oh, that is awesome. Why don't they do that during the season? Back.
Yes, we should have.
Right out front, Jeff.
Shoot him. There you tapped him. I was going to do the same thing. Another juvie? Yep. That's the only thing we can suck in, juvies. Need some weather to shoot them at.
Wind's let up enough. We can get the flyers going. Oh. Are those specks? Speckle bellies, I think, right here.
They might be specks.
And that is gonna do it. Great afternoon hunt, hunting a small spread, just about 480 socks, and really good wind, and the snow geese put on a show. They didn't all decoy in. We shot a handful of them, but man, that was just cool seeing them so low to the ground. Still mostly adults. All the ones we shot were juvies, but that was just fun seeing the numbers and seeing them just flying around, fluttering in the wind, just kind of hovering in the wind, honestly. And then even had some ducks buzzes too. Just a fun afternoon. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Be sure to go out there and support those conservation organizations, Ducks Unlimited, Delta Waterfowl, and we'll catch you out there. See ya.